That's the sound of progress at Montana Limestone Company. The quarry sits at the border of Montana and Wyoming. In August, MLC started blasting away at the new mining area, King Canyon Quarry. Quarry Superintendent Dave Tabor says it's tricky work.
The landscape, it's steep and it's rocky, so it's harder for our joy drill to maneuver on. When it's just pure rock, then the tracks will slide and slip on it, so it's hard to maneuver around on it. So it takes a little more time.
Once they load the limestone into trucks, it comes here, dumps into a hopper, and then to a pan feeder, and then feeds to a scalper. The scalper separates different sizes of rock.
Sizes for the sugar factories, a size for the lime plant, and then chips that we also make for our fine grind facility and also commercial people that want that.
The rock is then dropped onto a conveyor belt. The pieces that are big drop into the jaw where the rock is broken up. After the jaw, the rocks are sorted again by size.
The waste is then distributed out the back end for right now for some power plants and commercial use also.
Dave says limestone is tough on equipment.
Coal goes through easy. It breaks up easier than what we have to deal with.
After the limestone is sorted, the smaller pieces go to the fine grind plant. Plant and Rail Superintendent Mike Jones says here they grind the limestone into different sizes.
It ranges everything from feed-grade limestone for cattle and chickens to power plants, reclamation projects that controls the pH in the soil.
The Leland Old Station will use the limestone for their new wet scrubbers.
We're supposed to be shipping rock by the fall of 2009, and we're going to be pushed to have it ready by then, but I believe we can do it.
Out of all these four sizes, it's the second biggest that's going to the Leland Old Station right now. But once things really get going, they'll be getting a bigger rock. But there'll be changes other than that here at the fine grind mill.
We need a special track designated strictly for them.
They'll be putting in more than a mile of extra track, and the LOS limestone will get its own train, stretching 100 cars in length. That means the entire rail loadout area will need to move.
When we build our new track, it's going to come right through the middle of our rail loadout that we've got currently. So we're going to have to tear that all out and redo it.
That train will be loaded up every week.
I've never seen a project myself of this size, so this is all new and way exciting to me.
For Basin Electric, I'm Tracy Battenhausen.